Dala ko pa rin ang alaala ngayon, bakas ng ating kahapon. Bumabalik ang aking pagmamahal sa gabing napanap kita. Sabihin mo sa akin paano magsimula, ngayon ako nang mag-isa. Binalik-balikan ang ating napuntahan, pagkasakaling makita ka pa, sana'y magbalik ka. Ikaw lang naman.
Good afternoon, Sir Marvin. Hello po. Shout out. Thank you sa patusok. Thank you sa patusok. Shout out, Sir Marvin. Sakdan. Thank you po. Thank you sa inyo dyan. Salamat sa mga patusok, guys. What content is today, guwapa? Only tambay-tambay. Tambay-tambay lang, Sir Marvin. Wala akong content today. No kantahan. Sing and dance? Hindi ako dancer. Hindi ako dancer eh. Ano ba yan? Million. Hello, Shouty.
Sabi mo, ikaw lang at ako. Bakit ang hantungan natin ay kayo? Bakit ba tayo nagsisimula?
Say hi in live chat.
Kung sa akin lang naman ang iyong pangwakas, sana mabigay na ang hinahanap mo.
Naririnig ba kayong
Malit ay pagsabog ko, masakit.
Bicolana magayon, wala ka na sa Bigo. Hindi po ako nagbibigo, Kuya Marvin. Hindi ko po alam yung Bigo. Baka kamukha ko lang yung nakita mo sa Bigo. Wala pa akong Bigo, Sir Marvin. Ako yun? Paano mo nasabing ako yun? Wala pa akong bigo. Niloloko mo lang yata ako eh. Wala pa akong bigo account. TikTok, oo. Meron. Nagbibigo siguro to si Kuya Marvin. Bigo user ka ba? Ano name mo sa TikTok? Name ko sa TikTok, Bicolanang Durat. Oo, Bicolanang Durat.
Sakaling iwan ka, umiyak ka man sinta, pupunasan ang lupa.
Ang dilim ah. Glado sis. Hello. Shout out.
Mo nakikita na minamahal kita, umaasa pa rin mapansin. Ikaw lang naman ang gustong kayakap sa aking unan hanggang mag-umaga. Ikaw ang laman ng aking isipan sa araw-araw. Ang hirap pigilan.
Can I have a moderator? Glado sis. Shout out. Ano ba yung ano ulit? Can you have a moderator? Go to channel muna ako ha.
Pag tumingin ka na, kislat ng iyong mata, dala mo ay saya. Nawawala ang
Yun.
pangamba, pagkat kapiling na kita. Di na mapipigilan ng pusong tinadhana. Pag nahihirapan ka, ay laging sasamahan ka. Kailanman
Mama sa Mix, hello. Shout out.
sa'yo lang ang aking nararamdaman. Di dapat mangamba kung minsan ay napapagod ka na. Nandito lang ako, iyong pahinga. Ikaw ang simula, hanggang wakas, di na matapos.
Shout out Mama sa Mix TV. Hello.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Zumba Bell Vlog.
M Award 81.1 Love Song Remix. Spend your day with the best music mix only here on our Love Song. This is Massive Banger Mix by Tomato Remix. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Maki-party.
Kung malimutan ang iyong mga darama, ang iyong mga pangako, ang kulang
Sir Marvin, thank you po.
Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ko magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging naalamang sa'yo. Minamahal.
Same name, Bicolana Magayon. Bicolanang Durat. Bicolanang Durat yun, Kuya Marvin. Mama sa Mix TV, thank you.
Kung hinahanap
Ang iyong mga
ang iyong mga matang
nusa. Burat? Hindi po burat. D. Marvin D. Durat.
Lulubog, lilitaw ang bawat araw. Tuloy ka magmamahal ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo.
Type mo. Ganito, oh. Streamer, can I have a moderator? Marvin, are you still here? Blood disease. Okay, okay. Blood disease. Okay, you have now your moderator. Thank you for coming, Bladosis. Mami Rockstar, mega love shout out. Thumbs up dan. Thank you, Mami Rockstar.
Happy birthday, Tommy, from Boss today. Advance happy birthday.
Sayang lang ang sandali pinalipas ko. Dragon Gaming, hello, shout out.
Naroon ka na,
Bakit ba humanap ng iba?
ngayon, ikaw ang pinapangarap. Pinanghihinayang ko
Ang lahat. Okay, Marvin. Sayang lang ang pagsisisi.
laging nasa liit.
Sige, follow mo account ko, Marvin.
Maari ba'y oh, sayang, bakit ako nag-aalilangan pa? Tuloy ayo'y lumuluhan at nanghihinayang kung maibabalik ko lang ang tanging pagmamahal.
Thumbs up na, Sis Bicolana, Sis Mary Jane, shout out. Thank you po sa patusok, Sis MJ.
At
alagaan. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang nag-iikot na mundo, ang gusto ko ako'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. What time ka mag-live sa TikTok? Hindi pa ako nagla-live doon sa TikTok, Kuya Marvin. Wala, hindi ako nagla-live doon. Hindi ako marunong mag-live doon. Mary Jane Sandoval Atienza, are you still here? Ano pa? Hello? Marvin, Marvin, where? I've already subscribed. How are you? Thank you, Blados. Thank you, Gladys, for connecting our other friends there. Video lang upload mo gayon. Oo, video lang ina-upload ko. Hindi ako nagla-live doon. Wala naman ako mga friend doon. Blados, yes. Thank you, Blados. From where are you, Blados? From where country you are? Gusto ko ako'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang nag-iikot na mundo, ang gusto ko ako'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. Thank you sa 3 million dyan. In control, my lady with the plan. Just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. Get out of school. I find out of things wrong. Just another fool. Touch me in a way. I'm a feather in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman. Just another woman in love. Mami Rockstar, thank you, Mami. Another woman. Just another woman in love. Just another woman. Just another woman in love. Thank you sa mga tumutusok din sa mga dumadaan, salamat.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you daw.
Happy birthday, Tommy! From Moms
Happy birthday, Tommy. Sayang lang, mga sandali pinalipas ko. Naroon ka na, bakit pa humanap ng iba? Ngayon, ikaw ang pinapangarap, pinag-ihinayangan ko ang lahat. Bakit ba ang pagsisisi laging nasa huli? Ang mga lumipas na di na maaaring balikan. Sayang, bakit ako nag-aalilangan pa? Tuloy ay lumuha. And someday, fantasy back to me.
Let's go! Alright. Sino pa lang sumayaw ah? Come on. When I'm gone, I've been thinking about it constantly. It's so long inside
With my memories.
now on.
And I know
And we said we needed time apart, but your love keeps pulling at my heart, pulling strong.
I'm strong.
Will you miss me?
In the night,
Your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in the dreams.
in your heart, in your eyes. Sometimes I wanna run to you, lovers you, but not as you.
Just for a moment, be
Close to you.
down to holding.
Hello Daniel Berry, shout out. Bicolana, Dorat, 1,000 followers, tama ba ako? Hindi ako yan. Parang nasa 1.5 na ata yung follower ko. Parang ganun, 1.4 something. Hindi ako yan, Marvin. Baka iba yan. Oh yeah. When I'm gone, I wanna run to you. With love is you, with love is you. Just for a moment, be close to you. And I'm still holding you. Even when I'm far away, dreams to stay. Someday, come to me, but chase your fantasies. Back to me. Sometimes I wanna run to you. But love is still just for a moment, be close to you.
Pretend I'm still
Holding you
even when I'm
far away.
dreams to stay.
Dami, Bicolana, Dorat. Ano ba yung ano ko sa fantasy? When I'm gone. Teka, ano ba yung ano ko? Hindi ko lang avatar ko eh. Hindi naman kasi ako active dyan sa TikTok. Kuya Marvin. Pero madami na akong follower. Yung follower ko, 1452. Hanapin mo. Ah, Ria.
No useless things nobody else can see. All of the secrets we inside in all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and brings me
Like nobody can. She doesn't just a man. She just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes in the faith is something I never known before. Come what may, she loves me.
and that love
nothing that anyone
can do, and so she lets me live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hours of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be and goes right along. Everybody sing it, come on. Come on, babe, she loves me, and that place something I never know
before. Come what may, she love me. In this moment, holding my night so close, hanging on, still unbroken, while outside the thunder rolls. Listen now. You can hear our heartbeat, one against life's better home. These are the days, the sweetest things you'll know. There are times that's scary. You're right on my house like the wind. Both of us so unending. We battle the feeling. All the while life is rushing by us, pulling down our strongest. These are the days, the sweetest things we'll know. So we'll whisper a dream here in the darkness, watching the stars till they home, and then even the memories have all faded away. These days go on and on. Listen now, you can hear your heartbeat. Hold me now and don't let go. These are the days, it's the sweetest days from now. These are the sweetest days from now. These are the days. One night away of light, you came away one night. Make all the clouds disappear. Put all your fears to rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, you got it all over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you when not on a limb. And you're all that is not. Just look what I got. 'Cause you got it all over him. No, don't let him worry you so. Once I let you, I let go. Oh, you surely see you're so much more to me. Just one look and I knew you would make everything clear. Make all the clouds disappear. You're better than all the rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, you got it all over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you when I'm on a limb. And you're all that is not. Just look what I got. 'Cause you got it all over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you when I'm on a limb. And you're all that is now. Just look what I got. 'Cause you got it all over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just the time. Never thought about all the funny things you said. I feel like said, where is leading me now? Running the still of the room. I don't think that I'm gonna make you move. Wait any longer, and I'm feeling stronger by now. Just as I walk to the door, I can feel your emotion. It's pulling me back. Don't you let it, I know. Caught up in the middle of the crowd. Just so you wanna think of letting go. Oh no, even on the middle of the crowd. Just a little piano in the dark. Deep of the heart. play some melody for to about. Silence is broken, no one's spoken, but just as I walk to the door, I can feel your emotion. Pulling me back, love you. I know, caught up in the middle of the crowd. Just a little, and think of letting go. Oh no, feel up on the middle of the crowd. Just a little, and he plays piano in the dark. Silence is broken, and no one's spoken at all. Yes, I woke up to the dawn. I can feel your emotion. Oh, baby, hold me back. I love you. I know, caught up in the middle of the crowd. Just a little, but if you think of letting go, oh no, give up on the middle of the crowd. Just a little, I cry, I cry, I cry. Caught up in the middle of the crowd. Letting go, oh no, the middle of the crowd. Piano in the dark. Hello, Three Eyes watching. Hello, Three Eyes watching. Thank you so much for watching. I know, caught up in the middle of the crowd. It's so little, and remember when we held it on the way, the nights we almost lost it. Once again, we can take the night into tomorrow, living on feelings, touching you, I feel it all again. Did we almost have it all? When love was all we had worth giving, the night with you was worth the fall, my friend. Loving you made life worth living. Did we almost have it all? The night we held until the morning. You know I'll never love the way again. Then we almost had it all. The way you used to touch me felt so fine. Kept our hearts together. keep us.
Helps me bring the feeling back again.
Till we almost have it all. Baka sumumuka.
Was all we had was giving. The ride
Wait natin.
was worth the
Oh, my friend, loving you makes life worth living. And here we almost have it all. But night we have until the morning. You will never run away again. Almost have it all.
didn't we have the best
The times
when no one was
young
young
and
and
you,
could we reach inside and find that
love me
we'll never lose it again. 'Cause once you never love me, you never let it end.
Here we almost have it all.
What was all we had worth living? The ride with you was worth the fall, my friend. Loving you makes life worth living.
Here we almost have it all.
The night we held until the morning.
You know you'll
Never run that way again. Didn't we
almost have it all.
Didn't we almost have it all?
Did we almost have it all?
All at once, I finally took a moment and I'm realizing that you're not coming back. And it finally hit me all at once, all at once. I started counting teardrops, and at least a million fell. My eyes began to swell, and all my dreams were shattered all at once. Ever since I met you, you're the only love I know, and I can't forget you, though I must face it all alone.
All at once,
I'm drifting on a lonely sea, wishing you'd come back to me, and that's all that matters now. All at once, I'm drifting on a lonely sea, holding on to memories, and it hurts me more than you know. So much more than it shows. All at once.
See you.